I have been wearing my white Air Force One lows for about 1 month, almost every single day. So in this video, I want to talk about the pros and cons of wearing an all-white Air Force One low. I want to talk about how these sneakers fit, how I wore them, and just go over the whole entire sneaker, all the details as I drop the shoe. If you guys love sneakers and you love giveaways, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. We do have a giveaway going on for the Jordan 6 DMP. You guys can check the description down below for the giveaway details. Make sure you guys do hit that subscribe button. Give me a follow on Instagram and comment done down below in the comment section. I'll be announcing the winner on my Instagram story, so make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram. And when you're on Instagram, you could send me a DM with screenshots with proof that you did everything to enter the giveaway if you guys want an extra giveaway entry. I have done an unboxing of this sneaker, so make sure you guys check out that video. I will link it up above. I want to start off with the fit of the all-white Air Force One low because it does not fit true to size at all. These fit huge. Huge. So huge that I'm really a size 11. These are actually a 10.5. And to be honest, I could use a size 10. So they do fit really, honestly, that big. But I must say, they are pretty comfortable. And I've worn these, honestly, a few times for like 12 plus hours straight on my feet. And, you know, of course my feet did hurt at the end of the day, like they would with any sneaker. But it wasn't that bad. It was not that bad. So I would definitely say that these are really good for all day wear. I highly recommend tossing them on with anything. Definitely. You guys can wear them with anything you want. Dress them up, dress them down. I do, of course, recommend getting the white pair over the black pair because everyone knows the memes with the black pair. But the white pair, honestly, is just really, really dope. Very classic, very iconic. And you guys, like I said, can toss them on with anything. Anything at all. They are going to match. The leather upper, as you guys can see, it does crease a lot, and that's one of the points here of the video that I really want to stress. They do crease a lot. A lot. You guys can see, and I'm going to show you guys close-ups of the sneaker, that they do crease quite a bit. Quite a bit. And they do get dirty extremely fast. Take a look at the bottoms. They do get dirty extremely fast. The branding on the insole is gone as well. And the right shoe, in my opinion, is actually a little bit dirtier than the left. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. This one seems a little bit more dirtier. Take a look. Take a look. These are filthy. But I have not cleaned these. I will be cleaning these with, of course, Rejuvenator. You guys can check out Rejuvenator. My link will be down below in the description. And use the discount code Danny10 for 10% off. The laces do get dirty extremely fast as well. Guys, they are white. They will and do get dirty extremely fast. I noticed them getting dirty. I guess here's like a con. I noticed them getting dirty kind of after like 3 or 4 wears. Like they were getting very, very dirty. The creasing happened honestly within like 2 wears. Like it was very, very quick. You can see how creased up that is. I will be dropping a video if you guys want me to. Let me know. But a video on maybe getting creasing out of your Air Force Ones because I do know some methods to do it. Yeah, man, they do also, as you guys can see, they do get scuffed. So, but I definitely did beat these up. And you know what? That's okay. I'm happy with them. I did buy them, of course, to wear all the time. I will be copying the Supreme Nike Air Force One, which I'm very excited for. They do look like this with the Supreme box logo in the back, Supreme branding on the inside, and they do have extra laces. So I'm very excited for those. Very, very dope. Very, very honestly affordable. That's one of the reasons I do really like them. That's a huge pro is they retail at $90, which is a really good price. Also, another very, very nice pro of them is that they are made of leather. So they're gonna get dirty, but they're easy to clean because it is leather, and leather just holds up very nicely over time besides the creasing. I definitely think that these honestly are a tank of sneakers, and I highly recommend the Nike Air Force 1. Drop a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about the Nike Air Force 1. Do you own a pair? Are you going to go pick up a pair? Let me know what your pair looks like down below in the comments. This is my pair after just 1 month of wearing them. I can drop another video in a few months, maybe like another updated video on the Nike Air Force 1 if you guys want me to. So if you want me to, make sure you hit that like button for me. Let me know that you enjoyed the video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.